In this video, I'm going to show you how to access NFL RedZone during your YouTube TV free trial. If you're a football fan looking to catch all the key moments from every game, this guide will help you stream it easily. Let's get started. To access NFL RedZone on YouTube TV, start by signing up for a free trial at tv.youtube.com if you haven't already. NFL RedZone is part of the Sports Plus add-on package, so you'll need to include this premium upgrade during sign-up for an additional fee. Once your account is active, download the YouTube TV app on your device or access it via the website. Log in and browse the channel lineup to locate NFL RedZone. You can stream live highlights and touchdowns from every Sunday afternoon game, ensuring you don't miss any action. If this video helped you learn how to access NFL RedZone during your YouTube TV free trial, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.